Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I added a hair extension to this my frontal wig. So if you want to know I made it, please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mercy here again. So thank you guys so much for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for watching. Today's video I'm showing you guys how I styled this hair using a frontal wig. Like as you can see, it's braids, like it's cute, like so on. I made a long braids, like I got braid choker. Like who does that? Who has that? Nobody. So if you want to know how I style this hair, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to comment if you like to say, if you enjoyed the video, please comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I was starting off by braiding the hair. I wanted to show you guys basically everything I did. I didn't want to leave anything out, so I'm showing you how I braided the hair. So I just sectioned it into two parts. Then I'm just taking my time. You know, braiding on the frontal is kind of like stressful, but you have to take your time to get it right. Yeah, I think they call it cornrow or braids, whatever you want to call it, but this is basically what I did. And yeah. So I'm showing you guys how I section it. So I'm just sectioning it. I'm leaving some part of the frontal to cover the wefts, because you don't want your hair wefts to show. So that's what I did, and I am braiding this other side to match the other the first one that I had braided down already. As you can see, I already have baby hairs like laid out, because I just like baby hairs. So that's why you can definitely do this without leaving out baby hairs, but I love baby hairs, so that's why you're seeing that there's a hair left out in front there. And make sure you braid your hair all the way down to the tip of the hair. So basically this is how it looks like after braiding. So this is me with my bald head. My hair hasn't still grown, so I'm just going to put the wig on my head and just try to fit it in, make sure it sits well before I go ahead to lay the baby hair with my got2b glue and my toothbrush. So I have a video on how I laid my frontal wig without gluing it down, so I'm going to put it in the description box down below so you guys can check it out if you haven't seen the video already. And yeah, so I love baby hairs. You can actually do this without using baby hair, you can just take it back, lay it with your glue or your spray or whatever. But I prefer to glue my hair using baby hair, because it's not touching my real hair, it's just my skin. So even if I pull it out, there's no damage to my real hair. That's basically the reason why I like baby hairs. And I don't know, but I just love baby hairs. So you can do this with baby hairs or not, your preference, my preference. So I'm just using a head scarf to lay it down there. You can use the hand dryer to dry it up, so I'm just going to use the head scarf, lay it down before I style the hair. So what I'm doing, I'm going to use my rubber band to pack the hair like in a ponytail. So make sure it's laid is tight enough and it's low so that your back hair will show. And I'm showing you guys how I braid. So I'm just putting the attachment into a rubber band, putting on the nail, then I'm just trying to section it to braid. This hair tangles a lot, like attachment as a whole tangles a lot because it's synthetic. It's not like a human hair, so it tangles a lot. So you have to be careful for it so that your hair would not be messy or it won't tangle. So just take your time. It's it's not that difficult. If you know how to braid, you don't have a problem. So I'm just taking part of the hair at the weft to tie it so that it won't lose, and this is basically how it looks like after I finished braiding it. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to use the rubber band attached to the braided hair already to pack the already packed pony. That's to pack the wig. Let me just say to pack the wig. Then I am going to section into 3 and I will be twisting it. I'll be twisting 2 out of the 3. So once I finish twisting this one, I'm going to join it together with the one I twisted the first time, and just like kind of like roll it around the hair to cover, basically to cover the rubber band and to make it look natural. As you can see, the hair is actually messy, but I'm going to lay it down to make sure there's no any rough parts. So as you can see, I'm just trying to make sure, because I can't see the back of my head, so I don't really know how neat it is, but I'm trying to make sure it's as neat as possible. If you have someone to do this for you, it's even better. So I'm taking the last part to go round it and use my hand to try to smoothen it. Then I'm going to use a bobby pin to like hold it in place so it doesn't lift or come out. Yeah, this braid you can definitely make it smaller or shorter to your preference. So I'm going to cut out this down part so that it will be like a blunt cut edge. So my baby hair is laid, my wig is basically laid, my baby hair is laid, as you can see. So I'm going to take this braids in front, so I don't want it to be in front, so I'm just going to look for a way to tuck it in and use my bobby pins to pin it down so it doesn't come out or it doesn't lift. And this is how I styled it. Like there are two ways you can style this. If you want to see the other video, please let me know. I'm going to put, you can actually braid the attachment together with the wig, like braid it directly to the wig so it looks more natural. So if you want to see the video, please let me know in the chat box down below. So as you can see, the hair is laid and I have a braided neck braided necklace, and the hair actually as long to my waist length. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you try this hair, please tag me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.